Hello. Our first card is King of Michael, and wisdom and objectivity are important now. Stay in your integrity. There is something better, and the Turkey spirit says, give with gratitude and grace. It doesn't matter what's happening around you, we're getting bombarded with information. If you stick with your integrity, you will stay focused on your dreams. This is actually coming in very fast, and we need to take action and align ourselves with the good within us. Um, the Nine of Ariel, it says your dreams are being fulfilled, but we need to forgive ourselves and others and surrender to love. Love is the universe, love is God. We need to surrender to love. Things are coming to full circle and there's luck coming our way. We are breaking the chains of the past and moving forward with our integrity and will. The Seven of Michael is the third card, and he says there is better course of action available. It's up to us to overcome obstacles. There's definitely an ending of lots of situations, and don't be afraid, new wonderful things are coming our way. We just need to get rid of those things that don't align with ourselves anymore. The card under our angel cards, the last card, is look for signs. It will help you rid yourself of so many responsibilities that we put on ourselves. Um, we're getting a yes from the universe. They are helping us in the material world. They're here all around us. Believe it. Keep yourself aligned with love, with the stars. Your dreams are your reality, not somebody else or the news or whatever. Your own dreams are your reality. This is going to bring you lots of happiness and stability. Thanks for listening.